Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to complete Assault Rifle Master 2 in COD Mobile DMZ. First mission, enter Serpent Island, hard with Epic Ram 7 equipped. First, we need to buy the Epic Ram 7 from the black market. Make sure the weapon color is purple. After buying it, equip the weapon, go to the Gunsmith, and add the attachments you want. Then start the match. Second mission, complete 2 contracts at Observatory in Serpent Island, hard. After the match starts, head directly to Observatory and complete 2 contracts there. To check whether a contract is inside Observatory or not, open the map and place a marker on the contract. The area name will appear there. In some matches, you may only find 1 contract at Observatory, so you will need to complete it, extract, then start another match and do the second one. There is one important point. If you accept or defeat the high value target contract, you must complete it using the Ram 7. Otherwise, it will not count. Once you complete 2 contracts, the second mission will be finished. Third mission, defeat 15 hostiles with Epic Ram 7 at Observatory in Serpent Island, hard. Simply kill 15 hostiles at Observatory using the Ram 7 only. Fourth mission, successfully extract from Serpent Island, hard. Go to the nearest extraction point and extract, and just like that, you've completed the challenge. Good luck, and thanks for watching.